Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to install Free Fire in your PC. First of all, please like and subscribe my channel and like this video. So first of all, you need to download LD Player 9 in your PC. The download link in description. After downloading it, you can go to downloads and click on LD Player Setup. As you can see, I already installed LD Player in my PC, so it is giving me override install. So go to setup and browse your path and install where you want to install LD Player in your PC. So after installing it, go to LD Player and open your LD Player 9. So the LD player is loading. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon. So when your LD player 9 is loading, please like and subscribe. Then go to LD store and search here Free Fire. As you can see Free Fire. Click on install. As you can see, there is an install button. You can easily install in your LD player like your Android devices. This is fastest and lightweight emulator for your PC or laptop. So this is all. Please like and subscribe and bye.